In this video, we are going to make ribbon bow in easy way. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. To make this bow, here I am taken 1/4 inch ribbon using fork. Now wrap the ribbon to the fork as shown here. Now give a knot. Now give a heat touch up to the cut edges. Now take the hairpin and insert the hairpin into the ribbon bow as shown here. Like this, you can add hair bow to the hairpin as shown here. You can also use this hair bow to the tic tac as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can mention in the comments regarding this video. Similarly, you can use this ribbon bow to the U-pins like this. Not only to the hair accessories, you can also use this hair bow to gift wrapping and decorative items, crafts, etc. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.